Hi everybody, this is a little Desmos tutorial on how to change your window and how to make a line of best fit for your data. So I'm going to add a table to Desmos by hitting the plus sign, and I selected table. So my X and Y columns showed up. I'm just going to put some sample data in. I'm going to make it non-linear, but close to linear so that we can see the model that will be appearing. Going to be an increasing pattern, a positive correlation. Now you should notice that I entered 5 points, but you can't see anything on the graph. And that is because it's not zoomed out enough. But if I just zoom out, I don't really get a good view of what's happening anyway. I really want to get in on this central area right here. And I can do that by clicking on this wrench in the corner for graph settings. And the two places you're going to need to focus on are the x-axis. This is called the x minimum and the x maximum. And this is the y minimum and the y maximum. So the smallest we want to go in x is, well, the smallest we did go was 1. So I want to be able to see that one. So I'm going to go a little bit lower to 0. The highest in x we went was this 5 right here. So again, I'll go a little bit above that. I'll go to 6. Next, I'm going to focus on my y minimum. The smallest y value I have in my table is 12, so I will go lower than that. I'm going to go to 0. And I'll go a little bit higher than my maximum number in my table, which is 49, so I'll go to, say, 55. And if I just click out, then I can see a much nicer view of my data. I could even zoom out a little bit so I can see all 5 points in my screen. Now, the next thing that I want you to know how to do is to create a line of best fit, and that's under the plus sign again with expression. And all you have to type in to model your data is Y1. You're going to hit the shift button, and in your top left corner will be this squiggle. That means it's about equal to. Then type in mx1 plus b, and you'll see your line appear. You really want to concentrate on all these parameters that are listed here. The m is your slope, and the b is your y-intercept. So if you try to find the line of best fit on your own, you can always compare it to these parameters. Hope that helped. Bye.